Hello! In this tutorial, we will explore more about the admin login in RadReview, including how to pull usage reports and how to create and manage class sections, as well as how to create and manage instructor and student users. It's important to note the admin login can manage class sections and all instructor and student users. However, with the site refresh, instructors also can now manage their own class sections and student users. On the home page of RadReview, we can select Sign In the upper right. On the Sign In page, enter your admin username and password and select Log In. On the home page of your admin login in RadReview, in the upper right, in the drop-down menu, you can select Profile, and on the profile page, you can edit your full name using the pencil icon. You can also edit your email address and change your password. On the dashboard of the admin login in RadReview, you also can generate and pull usage reports for your institution's account as a whole. Using the first drop-down menu, you can select RadReview Course, and the different reports available are seen in this second drop-down menu. The User Logins report will show the number of logins by user, and the User Login System report will show how users are accessing and using the site, that is, either computer desktop or by mobile app. Using the Calendar tool, we can select a date range. Please note that the current month's data will not be available until at least 5 business days into the following month. I can simply select a date range and highlight for which I wish to pull my data. I can also view a daily, weekly, or monthly layout of my usage data, and this can also be downloaded as a CSV file. Using the menu in the upper left, I can navigate the admin functionalities of the site, including generating additional content usage reports. The admin can generate additional content usage reports by the different metrics available in the second drop-down menu, including lessons completed, questions answered, assessments submitted, quizzes attempted, and the top 5 teaching learning outcomes. Let's now explore how to create a class section in the admin account. In the menu, I can select Manage Class Sections. And out to the right, I can select the blue class section hyperlink. This will allow me to enter in my class section name and then select the course, which will always be RadReview course. We can determine our section capacity, and then I would select the instructor to assign to this class section. At the time of creating a new class section, we don't have to pick an instructor. We can select the instructor and add to this class section later. A yellow ribbon indicates that the class section was successfully added, and we also see it in our list of current class sections. We can edit this class section, including the title, the seating capacity, and the ability to add in an instructor. And then we also have the option to disable and remove this class section, which again prompts the yellow confirmation at the top. With the admin account, you also can create and manage all instructor and student users. In the menu in the left, select Manage Users. On the User Summary page that appears, select the Browse tab, and using the 2 drop-down menus, select RadReview Course and the class section to which you wish to add new users. You can add users manually, one at a time, using the New User link. This will allow you, the admin, to fill in the full name, email address, password, the role of this user, either student or instructor, the course, and the class section. However, if we need to import multiple instructors or multiple students, we can download the Students Instructors template seen near the bottom. Open the CSV file and enter in your user's first name and last name, email address, and you'll see that the third column is already pre-filled with the password SnapWiz. This is a basic default password that can easily be reset in everyone's profile in their respective accounts. As an example, I will add myself to the class, and once I have entered in all of my users' information, I can save the file locally. Wherever you save your file, be sure to save it as a CSV file, as that is the file type that is supported for the upload. Back on the page, all we have to do is simply select either import instructors or import students, depending on the user types that we are uploading. We select our file. The ribbon at the top lets us know that the file is valid and to select the word Go on the page to upload our users. We can see in red users that are already created at the institution. In this case, these were my test results, but you can see the information that I entered along the bottom where this student has now been added to my course section. I also have the option to view this user's details, including their full name, as well as the option to edit their username. I see their email address, their role, and I can also change their password. In addition, I also can move student users to different class sections. If you have any questions about how to create and manage class sections or create and manage users, as well as how to pull usage reports, or for any other questions, please reach out to user services at mheducation.com. Thank you.